Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to draw Ford Mustang GT Easy updated. Start by sketching the car's basic side profile using simple shapes and light lines. Block in the roof, hood, cabin, and wheel arches to lock proportions. Add 2 circles for wheels and refine the body lines to define the fender and door. Keep strokes loose, check symmetry, and erase construction lines as you add details and shading for depth. Now focus on wheels and chassis to anchor your Mustang on the page. Place 2 even circles and subdivide them for rims and spokes, keeping consistent spacing. Sketch the tire sidewall and hint at tread with light marks. Shape the fenders around the wheels so the body reads naturally, and draw a low side skirt to convey performance stance. Small changes here make the whole car look believable and planted. Next, add defining features that make it unmistakably a Mustang GT. Sketch the signature grille and angular headlights, then carve the hood vents and subtle body creases. Place the side mirror and door handle with light, confident lines, and add the badge area on the fender. Use gentle shading for contours, darken wheel wells, and highlight reflections on the glass to sell the metal finish while keeping the drawing clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.